2 से 4 साल के बच्चों को राइटिंग कैसे सिखाए? उनको भी तो लिखना आना चाहिए, है ना? यस. सो if you are searching for the same, then you are on right video. So I am Priya Miss. Welcome to my YouTube channel Quality Education with Priya Miss, Learn with Fun. So today I am going to share with you very important and useful and very easy tricks which can help to write the students from 2 to 4 years. So first of all, I would like to tell you that the age group of 2 to 4 years means the muscles and the fingers and the pincer grip development of that child has not that much developed, because their muscles and their fingers are very delicate. So first of all, to make them strong and strengthen, what we have to do? Yes, you are right. You have to make their muscles and fingers strong. So for that, I am going to tell you some tricks and activities which you can take at home also, and you can also take in school also. First of all, what you have to do? You take simple paper in your hand and ask the students who is from 2 to 4 years, simply with these 3 fingers you have to ask them to tear the paper like this. Okay, so they will tear with the help of these 3 fingers, and when they will tear properly, you ask them to make ball of the same paper like this, like this, like this, like this. So what will happen? So their muscles and pincer grip will automatically develop. Another way you can ask them to do is, you take simple white sheet or drawing book also. You can give them their which color they like. You ask them to take in their hand, ask them to hold. First of all, try to make sure that the student and the child will hold the crayon properly like this. If they are not able, let it be, they will learn by the time. And ask them to scribble like this. Scribble, 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 scribble. Whatever they want to do, you have to allow them to do like that. Scribble. So what? They will love to scribble also. They like crayon and colors, and also it will help to develop the pencil grip. Another way to strengthen their muscle is, take one bottle in your hand, ask them to open the lid of that bottle and then close it. Open, close it like this. Also every day the simple warm up exercise you can take, open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close like this. And also next, what you will do is, simply you can take your students with you at home if you are trying, and ask them to play with dough, wheat flour dough and any dough. And also you can ask them to play with clay. So all these activities, if you will do with your student, with your children at home, so it will definitely help to develop their pencil grip. So कैसे लगे ये tricks? And also, if you are new, again I would like to request you to subscribe my channel, share more, and also press the bell icon so you will get the notification. And the last trick I am going to tell you at the end of the video. So if you will do the same practice every day frequently as per the moods of the students, then happily they will able to write and they will sit with you for the writing. Okay, and don't make them pressurize. प्रेशर अगर आप दोगे हर चीज़ को, ये एज एक तो उनका बहुत ही प्ले वे मेथड में उनको सिखाना पड़ता है। बहुत ही मतलब छोटे रहते हैं, इसलिए उनके मूड के हिसाब से आपको ये एक्टिविटीज़ लेना है। ऐसा नहीं कि मीन्स अभी राइटिंग सिखाना है तो उनके पीछे लगो, पीछे पढ़ो। नो नो नो, दे विल नॉट लिसन। जब भी उनका मूड होता है, जब वो अच्छे मूड में होते हैं, तो उनकी इच्छा के अनुसार आपको ये एक्टिविटीज़ लेनी है। तो और एक इम्पॉर्टेंट एक्टिविटी विच आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू, एनी गेस? नो? wait. So talks you have to take with you and ask them to lift any grain like wheat or also the cotton balls and anything. You ask them to lift and keep in another ball. So like this also you can take and make them take activities and make them able to write. So bye.